Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Yamaha TW-E3 with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back you can find the charging port. The next step is to open the case and remove only the right one. Next, click and hold this button until indicator turns blue. After that, just release. So let's start. Release right now, and do the same with the left one. Click and hold and release after blue appears. Okay, right now as you can see they will be synchronized, and we have to move to the boot settings on our Android phone and click to pair new device. Just be patient and wait until the right one starts blinking quickly on the red and the blue. Okay, as you can see right now, the right one is blinking, right? But there is only the left earbud, so we have to go back, power off Bluetooth on our Android phone, turn it on back and go to pair new device for another time. Okay, in the most cases, right here you will get the R letter. So let's try to get this one. Click pair. Accept this one also. Okay, as you can see right now it appears, but we can just take a look if they works correctly. Okay, they are working. Just take a look. I'm gonna put you close to the microphone, the right one, and also the left one. As you can hear, everything is fine, even when the information shows us that only one is connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.